for employees such as us. I constantly wish I could take a weekend break in order to sustain this life. Should we have been born here on earth, we must put in work, because eating is daily necessity for our body. However, do not misunderstand our lifestyle. Not only food is necessary for the body, since our body includes more mind than bodies. We must therefore identify our emotions requirement. However, we shouldn't always trust our gut feelings. Knowing that we can do is necessary. For me, during the weekend, I prefer to apply live lesson. Travel as entertainment to understand natures. I made the decision to camp in the forest to get experience of life, to overcome fear, to learn how to calm down, similar to the landscape that you have all seen. There is still a life in the jungle, even when the water is moving. Seem to be upset over something.
Hello there. At the moment, I'm on an adventure. You know, you can see you are up. You can see the waterfall. You know, this place we call Stangungru. You know, this place we call Stangungru. Last night I'm came here. Last night it didn't rain much, you know. I want to show you about the waterfall. All of you hear the sound. of waterfall. It's like energy. By time to time I'm come out. I'm come out to the jungle because the city every day is annoying. In the jungle, I'm come out to connect with the nature. All of you look, you is really really beautiful. When I'm come out to the jungle, connect to the nature, it's make me feel better. I'm don't know how to explain my feeling now. You can see, you can see the sound of waterfall. Now, nothing voice, only my voice and the waterfall voice. Okay, bye.